Hi friends, today we are going to complete some workbook pages in your reading workbook. So get your big red squirrel book out and we're going to find page 53. Remember, I would rip out all the pages that you've already done and submitted on Seesaw. Okay, so get your pencil and let's get ready to go because we have 3 pages to do today. So the first directions on the first page says to add ed to each word. Add the ed to an action word to tell about something that already happened. So ed at the end of a word tells you that it already happened. So if you look next to number 1, spill plus ed equals the word spilled. So let's write it together. Spilled. Then we just add the ed. I spilled the milk. Number 2, smelled. Smell plus ed equals smelled. Looks like the little girl in the picture smelling something. She smelled the cookies. Smelled. Okay, number 3 is dressed. I got dressed today. Dress plus ed equals dressed. I was dressed for school. Dressed. Number 4 is mix plus ed equals mixed. We mixed the paint to get a new color, mixed. So let's write it. Okay. All right, let's look at the bottom. Use a word you wrote above to complete the sentence. I blank the bread. So which one of those words goes? I spilled the bread. I smelled the bread. I dressed the bread. I mixed the bread. Well, it looks like she smelled the bread. So we're going to go find this word and then write it down here. Smelled the bread. Okay, now we're also going to do the next page, and Mrs. Shimmy is going too fast. You hit the pause button. All right, and this is labels again. A label is a word or phrase that names something in a picture. So let's read the labels. We have ladder, light, and hose. Ladder, light, hose. So if you could figure out number 1, looks like it's a ladder, light, or hose, and write the word here. Number 2 is pointing to a hose. Oop, I told you the answer, but you can write it. And number 3 looks like this is a what? I'm going to give you a minute. Ladder, light, hose. All right, let's take a look. Number 1 should be light. Okay, because that's a light. Number 2 should be hose. And number 3 should be ladder. Okay, so you can take a picture and submit it on Seesaw. Thank you.